Gophi and Roger present Birds of a Feather. Hi, my name's Gophi Nathan, and my sign name is G7. Welcome to SWF Playground Online. Can you see that I'm using sign language and I'm not using my voice at all? So how can you hear me? That's because my friend Roger... Hi, my name's Roger. He's voicing for me. I can't hear, but I can see, I can feel, I certainly like to laugh. I can smell, yes, I can eat a lot. I am using sign language to talk with you. This total communication. Signs made up of 3 different things. First, for example, thank you. This is a sign. Thank you. Secondly, this gesture and my face. Hi. A very important part of visual communication is your facial expression. For example, happy. Look at my face. Sad. I'm bored. Hey, no time to be bored, Gophi. Why? Well, we are going to share with you some stories. Do you like stories? Yeah? Yes. 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 Y-E-S. Can you see my head? Just like the hand. Up and down, up and down, up and down. We want to tell you 3 stories today. How many stories, Gophi? Oh, is it 2 stories? I said... Or 4? 3 stories. Oh. 3. Story number 1. The 2 talky turtles. There was a tree over there. And there was a tree over here. There were 2 birds who lived in those trees. And there was a beautiful blue pond in between the trees. Okay. What is the sign for turtle? It's like this. In the pond there lived a turtle. Birds told the turtle about all the things that they had seen as they flew. All day long the turtle loved to talk. Yes, all day long. He would talk to the birds about the fish in the pond and life under the water on the pond. The birds told the turtle about all that they had seen as they flew here, there. But now it was summer. It didn't rain for days. It didn't rain for weeks. The pond became smaller and smaller. It didn't rain for months. The pond became smaller and smaller. Oh no, the turtle was very worried and thirsty. Where's the rain? When will it come? Birds knew they must find a new place where they could stay. So the 2 birds flew together, searching for a big new pond. They flew far. Wow, they saw a big pond, lots of lovely water and grass and lots of worms for us to eat. The birds were very excited and happy, but they remembered their friend, the turtle. He lives back there. He's so far away. He can't fly to come to this pond. Yeah, we need to think what to do. It's a problem. I know. I've got an idea. Let's search, see if we can find a big stick, like this one. Perfect. Yeah, we can help to save our friend the turtle with this stick. We can? How? Wait and see. So the two birds grabbed hold of the stick and started to fly together back towards the pond. The turtle saw his two friends come back, and the two friends said, "We've got good news." "Good news? Please, tell me about it." "We found a big pond with lots of beautiful water."
Oh, you found a pond? I'm so excited. Is it near?
"No, it's very far away."
Oh, no. I can't go.
Turtle said, "I can't walk far." "Oh, well, I'll miss you. Bye." "Relax, you're coming with us."
Really? I can come with you? How?
"Well, my friend and I, we are going to help to carry you with this stick between us. So you must hold on tight. Hold on tight. Remember, don't let go." "Okay, sure thing." "And you must not talk. Understand?"
Okay. No problem. Yeah.
No more talking.
Oh, no problem. I can keep quiet. Just like that. Yep, I won't say a word. Hup. Of course, no, I won't talk about what I can see up in the sky. I won't talk about the rainbows. I won't sing my song. Have you heard me sing? Somewhere over the rainbow. Oh, no problem. I can keep quiet. Just like this. Hup.
Be quiet.
Sorry.
So, the three friends, Turtle and the two birds, the two birds started to fly, and they carried the turtle, holding on tight to the stick. The birds flying higher and higher, carrying the turtle up, 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 higher and higher. He held on tight. He was so happy. Yay! But there were a group of children playing just like you. They playing. They looked up and they saw something strange in the sky. What is that? Huh? They realized it was a flying turtle. Can you imagine a flying turtle? He wasn't happy. A flying turtle. How crazy and funny. The more he heard them, the more angry he became. And when he heard them, he was very angry. He was so angry, he wanted to speak. "How dare you? I'm a flying turtle. Don't you make fun of me. Uh-oh. Huh? Oh, no! Whee! Ka-doing! Birds were very sad, and they had to fly on to the new pond without their friend. Sometimes it really is better to keep your mouth shut. Story number 2. The CROW, crow, and the PEACOCK, peacock. Last year, I was in India and I bought this lovely puppet. Do you know what it is? What bird? Yes, it's a peacock. That's right. It's a beautiful bird, isn't it? Gophi, what's the sign for peacock? So Gophi's showing the tail of the bird. So we start with the letter P, which is the head, and it then becomes the tail. Yes, it's very beautiful and proud. when it walks like it wants to say, look at me, I am so beautiful. Your feathers are blue and green and so colourful and very beautiful. And my feathers have an eye. They are very special feathers. I wish that I had beautiful feathers like you, peacock. You? What are you? I am C-R-O-W, crow, and I go caw, caw, caw. Ugh, crow, your feathers are so black and boring. You are very, very ugly. Ooh. That is not a nice thing to say. Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. I wish I could walk like you. Like this. Caw, caw. When I walk, it's like this. That's so bad. You look so funny and stupid. Huh? That's not a nice thing to say. Again. Now you are being very rude. Yeah, I am. You're right. Sorry. You may look beautiful and walk like you're a king, but inside, you're not a good friend. Crow, I said I'm sorry, but can I ask you something? Okay. What do you want to know about me? Why do you want to be like me? I am the one who wants to be like you. Huh? You want to be like me? Yes. Why? Because you can fly. Wow. Yeah, I love flying high in the sky. Lucky you. I can't fly. Oh, you can't fly? No, only like short little hops from here to there, from there to here. My tail looks so beautiful, but it's no good for flying. Oh, I never thought of that. You are so lucky. I wish that I could fly like you can. I think we should stop wishing to be like somebody else. Yes, you're right. I never thought of that. Hey, Crow, you are very clever. Oh, thank you. That is a very nice thing to hear. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am learning from you. Thank you, Crow. Let's just be ourselves. You look amazing. And you are amazing. Why? Because you can fly. We're both very special in our own ways. Yes, we're all special. Every single one of us. Special in our own way. So, don't waste time comparing yourself with other people. Just be yourself. And let's be happy. Together. Okay? Friends? Friends. Friends. Now, our last story is called The Brave Little Parrot. This story comes from where? It's from South America, and it takes place in a huge forest. And the hero of this story is a little grey parrot like this one. One day, the parrot was flying around over the forest when suddenly he smelt... What? Smoke! And he saw that the forest was on fire. The flames were rising higher and higher. So the little parrot thought he must fly far away. But he looked down and he saw that there were many animals trying to escape too. As he watched, he saw a frog.
Oh no, the forest is on fire. Oh boy, I'm red enough already. I don't want to get burnt anymore. Where am I gonna go? Whoa!
And a monkey.
Oh, dear me. Oh, no. The tree is on fire. The branches are burning. Where am I going to go? I've got to get out of here quick. Whoa.
And a baby leopard.
Mommy. Mommy. Oh, I'm scared. The flames are so high. Mommy.
He saw them trying to run away. And he wanted to help. The bird flew down over the water. And he scooped the water up onto his wings from the river. And then he flew up and flew back towards the fire. He tipped the water from his wings down the water onto the flames. Do you think that little water would help to put out the fire? Yes or no? No. So the little bird again flew back to the water, flew down, dipped his wings in the water. And then he flew up and went back towards the fire. And he flew in amongst the smoke that made him cough. Again and again, the little bird flew backwards and forwards to the river, dipped his wings in the water, picked up the water, and again he would then fly back up higher and back towards the flames. But the flames were so high now that they scorched his wings and burnt his feathers. It was so painful as he flew. Above the forest, above the sky, who lived there was the gods. The gods looked down from heaven and saw the flames, and they saw that little bird flying backwards and forwards. The gods thought, why, he's so little. They laughed. But one god looked down, and he took pity on that poor little bird. So the god turned himself into an eagle. And the eagle flew down beside the little bird and said, Little bird, you are too small. The fire is too big. You should fly far, far, far away and save yourself. I don't need advice. I need help. I may be small, but I'm doing what I can. If everybody does what they can to help, no matter how small. You are very brave, little bird. Together we can make a difference. Help me put out the fire. Please. And the little bird waggled her wings and flew back down to the river, picked up the water, and then flew back with the water on her wings back towards the fire.
The god looked down on the bird, and he began to cry, to cry, to cry.
And those tears were special tears. They were tears from heaven. And when the god's tears fell down on the flames, and slowly the flames were put out. The forest was saved.
Huh? Oh, good. The fire is out. Yeah. And, whoa, look at that. Huh. The tree is growing again. Huh. Wow. I can even see a beautiful branch just for me.
And then they had a surprise. The animals saw something amazing.
Yo, yeah. The fire's out, and wow, look, the leaves are coming back on the trees, and oh wow, look, yeah, there are fruits. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Oh wow, this is a good day, yay!
Because the tears that started to fall were very special tears. Tears that came from heaven.
Oh, hi, Mummy. Yeah, I'm here. Look, the fire stopped. Can we go out to play now?
So the forest was green again. It was as if the parrot had flown through the rainbow. And instead of being a dull grey parrot, it became 1, 2, 3. Wow! The most beautiful, colourful bird. And the little grey parrot had disappeared. The little grey parrot was surprised because he had become the most beautiful bird in the entire forest. Did you enjoy listening to our 3 stories? Yes? Then can you please show your appreciation in the deaf way? How do you do that? Like this. With your hands up, yes. And a big smile. Thank you. Until we meet again. Bye. Stay safe. Thank you.